you usually do right after you eat? Jump back to work? Clean up the kitchen? Chill on the couch? Maybe with your phone? Or watch some TV? Drop it in the comments. I would love to know. Over the next few days, how about you and I try something different? An easy 5-minute walk at home after eating. It's a small but powerful step which has many physical and mental health benefits. And we'll talk about some of those as we walk. So if this sounds good to you, lace up and let's start marching. As we're marching, let's shake off anything that feels tight or stiff. Maybe your wrists. Do a few wrist rolls. Maybe do a few shoulder rolls. Other side. Do a few calf stretches. Get nice and tall on your tippy toes. Go up on your heel. Back on your tippy toes. Up on your heel. Last time. And let's meet back in our march. For our first move today, let's walk to front and back. Leave with the other side. Front and back. If you like, throw in some arm rolls. When walking after eating, I prefer to do my walk at a slow to medium pace to keep my body moving without really exerting it or doing anything intense. Walking after eating is supposed to help with digestion, reduce bloating and gas, and it has helped me with management of my heartburn and acid reflux. Let's do it one last time. On both the sides I meant. And let's meet back in our march. For our next move, sorry about that, for our next move, let's do a side step. And if you're feeling it, extend your arms in the opposite direction to do a step and reach. Or if you want, you could just stay with the step. The reach can be as much as you like. Walking regularly after eating is supposed to boost metabolism and support weight management. 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's meet back in our march. The next move we are doing is something I really love these days. It helps me kick off the frustration and stress of the day. And if you like, throw in some punches. I love this. If you want, you could just do an arm extension with the front kicks. I'll be going with this. When we walk regularly after eating, it also helps regulate our blood sugar and is good for our heart health. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's meet back in our march. How do you feel? Do you feel good already? You know, one thing about walking, before we go there, let's talk about our next move. For our next move, we're going to be doing low jacks. If you like, you can modify it to meet your body where it is at today. You could just be doing a step out and step back in. You could be raising your arms to the side or join me as we do some low jacks. You know, above everything, what I love about walking is whenever I walk, right, I feel like it gives me mental clarity. It boosts my energy and it busts my stress. And that is because whenever we are walking, our body is releasing the feel-good hormones, and it is called endorphins, and it is regulating cortisols, also called stress hormones. So 3, 2, and 1. Let's meet back in a march. I hope you're having fun. For our next move, right, let's do some 1, 2, 3, 4. March out. 1, 2, 3, 4. March back in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can go out, 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 out. In, 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 in. Out, 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 out. In, 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 in. Let's do a few more of those. In this video here, I share another 5-minute walk at home. No squats, no lunges, no equipment. And in this playlist here, I share simple, effective tips on getting active, staying active, and eating healthier. I hope to see you there. Thanks for walking with me today. Bye-bye.